Hi everyone, I just want us all just to get some basic brain integration going on today because let's face it, the American elections are going to be on everyone's TVs, minds, everything for the day. It doesn't matter which side you're wanting to win or lose or whatever, there's big stuff. So let's just get your central meridian going. So breathe. And just trust in the process. For left-right brain integration, hand on your navel, rub the little spots underneath the collarbone. This helps the left and right sides of the brain to integrate and connect. Thinking logically, thinking creatively, thinking emotionally, and allowing what will be, will be. We need more love, light, happiness on the planet at the moment. We don't need divisiveness. We don't need anger. Fingers, top and bottom of your lips, hand on your navel, just rub that back and forward. This one helps to integrate the top and base of the brain. So this one is about problem solving simultaneously as survival patterns come up. Now the next one, which is a weird one, is rubbing your tailbone at the same time as holding your hand on your navel. So what this one is doing is allowing the front and back of the brain to be working simultaneously. It gets the visual centers integrated with what we're actually seeing. Just helps that connection there. Once again, run that central meridian. Life is good, life is good, life is good. We know there's craziness going on, but we also know that there's really good people out there trying to make everything okay. We just have to trust in our own sovereignty and trust in the fact that there are, and we have to stand up for ourselves. If things happen over the next 3, 6, 9, 12 months that we don't agree with, you have to stand up and say, no, this is my body, my choice, my sovereignty. Okay, next one. Fingers on the emotional stress release points. Wait until they pulse. And that just helps bring the blood to the frontal cortex, allowing more logical and creative energy in your brain so that we don't get taken down by our emotions, by our survival patterns, by our fears. Beautiful. Whatever happens today, life is good, life is good, life is good. Trust in you, trust in humanity, trust in the goodness of strangers, trust in our immune systems, trust in our own ability to affect our own livelihoods and our lives. Okay, I really better go. Client shortly. Have a good one.